If you have suffered water damage or fire damage to your home, we can help you. 2 things you need to remember when it comes to water damage restoration. First, stop the leak, and second, start drying and removing the moisture from your home as soon as possible. The longer it takes to get started and finish drying your home, the more money will be needed for reconstruction of your home. Our certified water restoration professionals will extract, dry, and restore your structure, protecting your most valuable investment, your home. With our top-of-the-line equipment, we will remove any water or moisture, preventing mold or mildew growth in the future, ensuring a safe environment for you and your family. Call us today at 305-400-0836. We're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to protect you and your family. We can work with your insurance company as well. Call us now at 305-400-0836. Let us restore your home.